I won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
What's up, Denny?
What's up, Steven? How we doing tonight?
All right. What's up, everybody? How are you? Wow, what a beautiful day here today, man. Great day. Gold, unbelievable in the morning. S&Ps traded down to 62, 68.18. Rallied, underlying support on those ETFs. What's up, everybody? How are you? How are you, everybody? Hope everybody had a great day trading. Everybody have a great day trading. Kabashi 7, how are you? 77. I tell you, this gold is good. Denny, you don't trade gold, do you?
I trade gold whenever we're on stream together.
Okay.
I do not touch it otherwise, just because I know NASDAQ more than I know gold.
That NASDAQ was a good long on that push down just now.
It was. No, Q, I did not catch the gold. Steven actually called that gold.
Which one?
The long, about 45 minutes ago.
Oh, I mean, do you see what this gold did today? This gold was absolutely on Prozac today.
Yeah, it went crazy.
This gold this morning, look at this thing. Look at this gold. Sitting here on the 15, right? Sitting here. Boom. Now, look at this pattern here, right? I'm going to show you this pattern here. All right. First of all, if you're going to trade gold, you need to look at the underlying ETFs during the U.S. session, right? So look at this gold. It's trading 42.42, trades up to 57, and then kaboom, up to 70, right? Then it drops all the way down to 48 and change, right? Now, when it made this push down here, these met on a new low during the session here, right? Well, the 9 o'clock session, the MACDs were positive. Then it pushes up from 48. We caught that long, got out like maybe 40, 51, 52, 53, pushes up to 73, makes a new high. We called this short. Oh, my God, look at this gold drop. And then next thing you know, it got absolutely cabooshed from 73 down to 36. Look at that. That's 37 points. Then here, look at this low here. Look at this low, right? This low right here. Okay, S&Ps were trading, gold was trading 26 to 27, right? And on that low, guess what? The MACDs did not confirm the low. Right on the 15 and on the 60-minute time frame right there. Mm-hmm. Okay. And what happened? Boom, right back up. Caught this bear flag, and then it dropped about 15. All right. So anyway, it was a wild day here. Look at silver get cabooshed. Let me see. Silver is crazy. Yeah, I would buy this silver here though. If this silver gets down to 70, 87, 67, 77, I'd buy it here on this silver. I think this gold's a buy here. If it gets to the 29.5, 36.5 range, you're going to get another push up here on this gold. All right. How is everybody tonight? Are we getting botted again, Denny?
No, we actually might have this many people watching.
Really?
Yeah, this is not crazy. Last night was crazy because of how big it spiked, but this right here isn't crazy.
Hey, how is everybody tonight here? Wow. How's everybody tonight? This is a great group here. Okay, this is a great group. Again, I would switch to micros on these here. Okay. Good evening, Jimwell. How are you? Fops. How are you, Fops? How was your trading? Oh, it was good, though. It was good. All right. Now, if you look at gold here, All right. If you look at gold here on the bigger time frames, let's go review the bigger time frames. The 60 minutes still bullish here. The 15's bearish, which means indicator 4. Okay. The 30-minute time frame bearish. So we gotta look for shorts here. Okay. Again, this will just be a scalp. If you want to sell the gold out, just look to scalp it more short. 37. Look to kick these out 37 to 38 range if you're long. All right, just pushed up here. Again, Mikey Jacques, how are you? Silver. Okay. How is everybody tonight? Oh, we're getting botted, Danny. So, how are you, Grimwell? Also, I'll be scaling out of this long on gold. Gold just rallied about 3 just now. You're out?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, again, see the 5-minute and the 15-minute MACDs? It bounced off that. Why was it an ugly day, ICT and GL? I thought today was easy. Okay, look at the spiders today. ICT and GL. You gotta learn to listen during the day here, cousin. Look at this. Look at the gold right back up. When the 15, first of all, there was underlying strength today. Trade with Stephen. Hey, 1 a.m. in Lisbon. Wow, beautiful. Portugal, beautiful. God bless you. Why is anybody getting chopped up? Who's getting chopped up in the PMs tonight? Jorlims. Wow, look at that long on the S&Ps. Beautiful. Denny, you long NASDAQ?
I was not. I was short NASDAQ, but I got out with $300 in profit.
There you go.
I had trailed my stop loss when it was pushing down. And so, hey, $300 on 2 accounts, that's $600 for tonight. I can't complain.
Good job. I'll be exiting longs here on gold. FOP S4444. What's up, everybody? We got botted, Denny. I can't take it.
It's all right. It's all right.
I just don't want to get banned. All right. Alex, how are you? What do you mean you got smoked? Why? What happened? Oh, on the announcement where they claimed they denied it. 44, the Punisher. Anybody get that long on gold? Wow, Lee is up $2,200. Look at that silver, Lee. Did you get long down there on that? Oh my God. Wow, good job, Lee. I know. I would cancel the buy range here. Good job. Lee's up 2,200. Good job. Get in there. NASDAQ, kaboom, Mikey Jacques. So right now, there it is. The bull. How many people like that bull sound? Denny, do I have a code for MyFundedFutures?
I mean, they could try SK. If not, try code YouTube.
Do I have a code, you said?
I said they can try SK or they could try code YouTube.
Oh, let me see.
Steven, WP Casson said, do you look at Russell? Or can
Yes, I
you look
do.
at Russell?
Absolutely. Look at the IWMs. If you're going to trade the Russell, you need to look at the underlying IWMs. Uh-oh. YY Buckley saying we need a new bull. Oh, my God. I used to work, but not more. Not anymore. Not anymore. You kidding me? I was teaching a class in Romania at 6 o'clock in the morning, and I haven't stopped. Emmanuel Carlo Ramos, hey, how are you? ICT NGL, you should listen to me during the day. Look at this S&P's rally, 58 up to 63. NASDAQ just kaboomed. All right. Now, the Russell, yes. So the Russell reverses to buy at 9:45 here, okay, on indicator 4. The 30-minute reverses to buy right here, okay, at 11:30, puts you into what's called a buy disconnect. Look at this ADX rising on the 15. Okay, ADX rising on the 30. Big buying pressure. Every pullback on the 5 and the 3 minute time frames. Here's a long. Here's a long. Here's a long. Here's a long. Right into the 10 bar. Here's a long. Every pullback was a long. Look at this gold. Oh my God. 35 up to 41. NASDAQ up 40. S&P's up. Hope you got that long down there.
Yes.
On the S&P, yeah.
I covered it. You told me to.
Okay. All right. Or code. Was it code YouTube you said?
Yeah, code YouTube.
Okay. All right. Let's see here. Mikey Jacques, how are you? Lee, very proud of you. You go, boss. Here's Hugo. Hugo's here. We got botted again. 1,800, Denny. This is terrible. This is terrible. All right. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? If you're new, I am offering a 5-day free trial to the live stream. Let's see here. Everything's turning up here. You know they want to keep the market up till the end of the year. Anybody have any questions? It's hard, tough trading NASDAQ this time, bro. I don't agree with you on that one. I don't agree with you.
No, NASDAQ is not that hard to
It's
trade
not
right
1,800, Nikki. It's botted. Corb, I don't believe it.
That one time, you guys had like 12,000 viewers. You asked them to like it up, and it
No. That was bots on steroids. Forget it, please. McClacy, how are you? McCalcy, glad to meet you. Very nice to meet you. Please, if you're new, hit the like button and subscribe. Okay. All right. Look at this gold. Oh my God Almighty! Just rallied $8. NASDAQ just dropped 10. All right. NASDAQ moves very well some nights during the U.S., during the Asian session.
What do you think about shorts?
HJ Love, 25. I'm not shorting gold yet. Let's see here. How are you? Very nice to meet you. Okay, very nice to meet you, HJ Love, 25. All right. Gold was wild this morning. You are you kidding me? Are you crazy? Oil making new highs, crude oil. Very, 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 very wild here. Roger B. Where's Bob Barker been? Steve, I'm long since 42.40. Woo! On what? Gold? It's up $3. So I'd sell it. I'd sell it. You're up 3, right? You said. Roger B. I'm new. If you're new on my SK Trading YouTube, there's a free 5-day free trial up in the pin section. Well, thank you for loving it. I love being here. Kaboom! Up 5 points on gold. Absolutely. What got kabooshed? Wink. Looking to short gold. I wouldn't short gold yet. Unless gold gets up to maybe the 46.5, 47. Damn it. I wanted to short those S&Ps and NASDAQ. Damn it. Into the negative MACD. Damn it. All right. Let me put this S&P up. Oh, gold's the best. Gold's the best. Let's see if this gold can get up to the 46.5 range. This NASDAQ made you rot in hell. 62. 49.13. All right. If this gold gets up to the 46.5 to like 51.5, I would look to take Bitcoin. Doing good tonight. Yeah, Bitcoin is doing good. Bitcoin is bullish. So let me show you a little strategy here. If you can all watch me, please, by using my algorithms. Bitcoin's bullish on the 30, on the 15. Bitcoin's a short, by the way, up here. Okay. 93,700, just dropped 200. Look at the 30-minute. The 30-minute reverses to buy with the MACDs above the pivot. Okay. You take the shorts on the highs. The MACDs are non-confirming. Look at the 60-minute time frame. Every new high, Bitcoin gets kabooshed. 94,181, kabooshed. 1,500 points. Look at this gold drop. Damn it. Good job, Lee. Yeah, that's a good job. So even though you're going to get a push up here on Bitcoin on the 30-minute time frame, any new highs can follow with overbought conditions on the 30 and the 60. I say let them have them. Okay? All right? I say let them have them. All right? All right. Hello, Wasim Chukir. How are you? I already joined the pro plan, Roger B. If you did, please text me, Roger, 914-500-7484. I see you chill the rest of the week, Keith. You'll come back stronger on Monday. What happened to Keith? What happened? What happened to Keith here? Is this 4K watching real? Oh, 5,000, Denny. Come on, Denny. Denny, want to put an end to this or what? What is going on here?
I have no idea. We're almost at 6.
You got to have orders out there, Purgatory Park.
Crazy enough, the likes don't match the viewers, though.
No. If you got 6,000 people here, please like it. All right. Crude oil. If this crude gets up to like, this crude's going to drop. If this crude gets up to like the 17 to like 26, 27, I would short it on the crude. All right. I left Hendrix home tonight. I feel bad. I missed my Henny. Oh. I missed my Hendrix. 1,100 likes. That might not. Okay, 6,200. Oh my God. Yes, they are effective for scalping, and I have to teach you that. Okay, I have to teach you that. All right, there goes the oil dropping already. Do you guys scalp? New only to looking to pattern trade. Okay, Ragav, I told you on the phone. Ragav is from Japan. If you want to trade patterns, you'll probably get anywhere between 4 to 8 great patterns a day. And that's throughout a whole day, Ragav. Okay? However, there's probably Pac-Man, 50 to 80 scalp trades a day, just on the indexes on gold, S&P, and NASDAQ, not including Microsoft, NVIDIA, Tesla, Coinbase. I mean, look at this gold drop. What was the high on the gold? Look at the high on the gold here. 65.
Maybe 44.
44 and a half, I think, right? 45, I think. Just now. No, and just on this bar.
On this bar.
44.90. All right. I'm looking for 46 and a half. All right. If this NASDAQ gets another push up, I look to short it. But all right, let's see if this gold can get a push up. 8,000 viewers? I don't believe it. Okay. SOXL and SOXS. Let me see. I like things that have volume. Okay, let's see. SOXL. Okay, it moves, but I mean, you know, what are we looking at here? Okay, I mean, here you can 45, 48, 30 cents here. You know, you short it here, 46, 45, 10 cents. Not something that I'm really particular. I don't like unless you're going to position trade it. Okay, NASDAQ, gold, S&P. That's it. Scalping. No, but there's also pattern trading on that, Roger. Roger. Okay. Ah, damn this gold. All right. Regard, remember I told you. Christopher, explain to him that how many scalp trades we can do in a day depending on volatility. All right. No, ICT, NGL, it's not real. Please. Okay. There's a free, 10,000 people, there's a free 5-day free trial. Let me see how many people sign up. I can trade futures and IBRK. Okay. HJ Love, if you want to text me, you can speak to me here. Daniel Johnson, I'm new here. Stephen, nice to meet you. Okay, very nice to meet you as well. Okay. Anybody can text me. I'll give out my personal cell phone number, 914-500-7484. You're 22 years old and you're yawning. I'm 60, almost 63 years old, and I've been working since, and I haven't yawned once. How in God's creation can you be 22 years old and you're yawning? Can you explain to me? How could you be yawning at 22 years old? I don't get it.
Hang on.
I'm 60, almost 63 years old, and I'm going like I make the Energizer Bunny look stupid.
I'm 29 years old.
I got this like 22-year-old behind me yawning, and he's making me. You hear him yawning?
I do, but I'm 29 and I feel like I'm 50.
No, sir.
Hang on. But the military broke my body, so I have a reason.
It's the passion, Christopher.
Emmanuel said he's been yawning since 16 after 8 p.m. 16? That's true, Trade. I do have kids.
Chris, was this Chris from Chris? Just text me if you want the free trial, 914-500-7484. Okay. Pure passion, baby. Pure passion gets me going. Somebody said to me today, will you ever retire? I said, never. Never. NEVA, never. Never. Steve, can you show the S&P? Yes, absolutely. Yes, no problem. All right. So this pattern here, oh, these 60s are going to turn up here. Oh, my God, these S&Ps are going to go. Oh, I'm looking for a nice pullback. Please pull back. Okay. TradeX, SK, and MyFundedFutures, the most watched trading show in history. Yeah. Well, I hope those 12,000 people are right. Enthusiasm carries. Oh my God, nonstop all day. I try to make trading fun. Okay. I try to make trading fun.
Do a great job.
Right. There goes silver again. Down, up, down. Love the silver. You guys should be trading. I mean, I can't tell you what to do, but you know, Danny Dan, anytime. Hey, my buddy from Finland. Hey, Zill. How are you, my brother? How are you, Zill? Where's Bob Barker? Bob Barker, we got to put an APP on him. All points bulletin. Yep. Don't poke the bear. Never. Never. Hey, Payman, how are you? Oh, yeah. Oh, my God, this gold just got kabooshed. This gold, I want to short this gold so bad on any rally. Oh, okay. Definitely are making it fun. Appreciate Stephen. Right. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Denny, this number is not real, Denny. What the heck's going on here, Denny? Come on.
Steven, at this point, I wouldn't even look at it no more. I would not even look at it anymore because we both know what happened.
Yeah.
Can hope for the best.
All right. A lot of people are blowing up my phone. I'll all get back to you. I return every single phone call. Literally, there is unusually a small delay, but if the prices are crazy, definitely make sure they're trading the. Okay. Very quiet here. Very surprised. Yeah, I'm just here for the free stuff. Oh, boy. There's 12,000 people ahead of you. How's that? All right. You made 1,700. Patrick O'Brien. He made 1,700 on S&P today. Great job, Patrick. Patrick, this was the key for today here. When the spiders reversed to buy here, okay, on the 15-minute time frame right here. So let me just teach you this right here. You see the 15-minute, it reversed to buy. It correlated with its 30 and 60. This was the short here. This is the long, okay? Great pattern right here. This is the first pullback on the 5-minute. S&P's got down to the 68.40. I was looking to buy 33.5, 39.5, missed it by a half a point. Okay, CT clutch, absolutely, brother. MACD patterns help a lot in place to learn, not too grubbed giveaways. There you go. Good job. Took my Bob Barker handle away, so I had to get a new one. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Sorry for the intuition. I'm here. So I have my own trading system, which is my chart overlay, and I am building right now currently with some developers to build some high frequency models and also some really great trade alerts. Okay. EMM 794, how are you? Should I short NASDAQ? I wouldn't. Look at the NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ on the 60. See this? The 15s. Okay, so everybody understand this strategy here. Okay. When you see the algorithm reversing to buy right here, and the MACDs are above the pivot, here's the pivot. You take the short, boom, right, Mikey Jacques, 72, 85, kabooshed, down 60. You cover and you go long. Look at this beautiful bull flag. And when these 60-minute time frames do this, bink, bink, right there.
That's on the 60 minute.
That's on the 60. All right. I'm looking for pullbacks on the S&P and on the NASDAQ. That is correct. All right. That is correct. All right. That is correcto. S&P and NASDAQ are going to go higher. I think gold goes lower. Okay. Oh, there you go. Bob Barker's back in the house. He just changed his name. All right. How am I supposed to know that, really? Okay. I just cut myself. I always carry Band-Aids. I'm always getting cut. I don't know. How's everybody doing tonight? Gold's moving very slow. Long's looking on. Yes, I want to buy pullbacks, but who knows if I'll get one here. All right. Pete Rose should be in the Hall of Fame. I don't want to hear it, period. 4,231 hits or something like that. Raphael trades. How'd you do today? Wink. How are you, Wink? Chicken Trader. Go uninstall. How are you? Okay. All right. Well, we'll see if the 12,000 stick around. If there's 12,000, please have 12,000 likes. How's that? That'll do it. Okay. All right. All right. So just so everybody know, Denny, okay, you have between 8:30 and 9 to do what? Sign up for the MyFundedFutures
For
account.
the giveaway.
For the giveaway. I'm doing great, Wing. Thank you. Debo, how are you, Debo? Anybody come down to Florida here? Thank you, Purgatory Park. I'm giving away a 5-day free trial to my live stream. Your people are insane if you don't take this. If you're new, okay? If you're new, and it's in the MyFundedFutures chat here and on my SK Trading YouTube. it's pinned on top. Okay. How do you enter the giveaways? Denny, are you posting how to get to the giveaways?
It's already in. I'm replacing the pin message at the top. That way they can sign up for it.
All right.
And then once this form is done, then I'll put your link back up top.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How do you sign up for the giveaway? You have to go to MyFundedFutures
No,
YouTube.
you did not, Dario. Nice try.
You have to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube. How many people trade Bitcoin futures here? Orlando, Christopher, Christo, you're only 2 hours away. I'm about to be 48, and I'm here at night and in the morning. Okay. Oh, by the way, I'm going to make a special announcement. Okay. I believe starting Monday next week, I will be on the MyFundedFutures TV show from 10:30 to 11:30 every single day. Okay. Robert Lopez from Orlando. Robert, how are you? You're shorting S&P? Okay. Probably for a pullback. Yep. Okay. All right. NASDAQ just dropped about 10. I want to see gold get a push up. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go, Fernando. Let's go. All right. S&P's caboose boom. Yep. Let's see what this. NASDAQ just dropped about 10, 13. S&P's here. 65, just dropped 3. I want to see this gold get. I'm looking for a pullback on the S&Ps. If you're short the oil, just cover the oil at 16. Anywhere from the 13, 16. Oil pushed up here to 19. If you're short and you want to trade oil. All right. S&Ps here. Gold. Kaboom, the likes. Let's go. Kaboom, the likes. I like that. That's a t-shirt. Kaboom, the likes. Monday through Friday from 10:30 to 11:30. Okay. Oh yeah, that's Luke. Luke reached out to me, and I said to my good friend, "I'll do whatever you want." Okay, I'll do whatever you want. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Come on, gold. Let's do something. Hello, Zachary Stark. All right. Huh?
It's me.
I know it's you, knucklehead. If I wore a t-shirt that said kaboom the likes, am I getting random? That is pretty good. Hey, how about this one? The mouse is stuck. That was hilarious, though. Come on. This is quiet. You can't force anything anyway. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday from 10:30 to 11:30. All right. I will make that hoodie. All right. Would you look to buy the pullback on the NASDAQ? Yes, if we get one. Absolutely. Especially with these 60-minute time frames look like they want to turn up. Okay. What was the giveaway? It's 5 scale accounts, I believe.
5 scale flex accounts.
Oh, okay.
Danny Adams said you gave me 4 great trades today. He said that to you, Steven.
What happened?
Danny Adden said you gave him 4 great trades today.
I don't even see where he's saying that.
At 8:35 p.m. If you look for Danny,
Oh, you gave me
Yep.
4 great trades today. Oh, Danny Dan. Okay, thank you.
Danny Dan.
All right, come on, gold. Give me a rally here. All right.
We're up like 15.
Oh my God. You're up how much?
No. The Knicks were up 15.
Oh, forget the Knicks. I was losing money following the other guys today. All right. Well, thank you, Danny. Thank you. Hendricks is home. He's mad at me. Hendricks is home. Lee, we got to make up a t-shirt. The mouse is stuck. Okay. So only 200 people signed up for the giveaway, and we got 12,000. Get the hell out. This is crazy. We got botted. We got botted. Where's Jess tonight? Nikkei Jap market up 600 now. Let's go higher. Okay. Yes. Add 5 more for old times, asked Danny. What happened with Hendricks? He's home tonight. I got 3 big guys, and you know what? I can't keep going back and forth with him. Tomorrow I'll bring him. I'll bring him tomorrow. My good boy. He's so good, my Henny. My Henny. The mouse got stuck. Who was that last? That was hilarious. I know, right? He does bring a lot up. I know. I'm telling you, my dog, I'm telling you, he licks me. I'm telling you, he licks my arm. He licks my face. He's such a good boy. I saved that dog. I'm so happy I saved his life. Really. Really, I am. It's such a joy. And I think he knows it too. You know?
Oh.
Boom. What? I don't want to hear about the Knicks. All right. All right. Batooshed? What kind of word is batooshed? I think that's what we did just now. We just got batooshed on YouTube. Do I have any cat? I don't have any cats. My kids have a cat. He's 18 years old. His name's Buddy. Okay. We should. I think we just got batooshed on YouTube. Oh, last night when the mouse got stuck. Oh my God! Did you get that? Whatever I called. Did you get that short on gold? And somebody said the mouse got stuck. Who's that, Lee? Lee's sending me a picture. I don't know. All right. 12,000. No, it's not real. Your dog's name is Bunny. What's the buy range for the NASDAQ? When I get there, I'll tell you, but I got to wait for indicator 3. Oh, this gold. Come on. Is this gold going to just torture me here? Watch. I'm going to go short this gold here at 44, and it's going to run. What's the old adage? You never short a dull market.
Pushed up to 44.
Yeah. What is that picture of, Lee? I don't get the sense of humor. Yeah, TradeStation's having problems with that, I heard, and they're coming out with some new technology. New high in NASDAQ? I think so. Steve, I've been long since 42.40. It's good. All right, well, I would raise your stops, Raphael.
That's it. Right up top.
My dog ate my trade. That's another good one.
So Steven?
What?
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
Okay. Remember, you only have about 30 minutes to sign up for the for the raffle tonight. You only have 30 minutes here.
Roll up on the chat.
Estoy enchilando nada. Okay, for 5 days. No, I have a 5-day free trial. It's in here. If you want to, oh, come on, do something tonight. Yeah, the Titan X is coming out. I heard about that. Stanman, let's go, Stanman. Stanman's part of my community.
Yeah, that's not in there. What's your email address?
Oh, I know. Me too, brother.
What do you have on your computer?
All right, let's just see here. Wow. It's not 12,000 viewers, really.
Show me this.
Also, TradeStation has a new AI piece built in to the easy language, I heard. Somebody ring the bell. I go from 8:30 to 4, sometimes 4:30, and then you know what I used to do? I used to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning and trade the European session from 3 to 4 a.m., 4 p.m. the next day. You know that? I did. 3 a.m., the European session, right? And then I would go right through the New York session till 4 o'clock. What is that? That's 13 hours straight. 13 hours. That's Asia is on holiday. I don't know. Is it? I don't know. All I know is the mouse got stuck. The mouse got stuck. Hey, this is Zeke. How are you? Oh, this is Khan. Khan's watching. That's either dedication or lunacy. I think it's lunacy. Got to drink plenty of water. I said to the people, anybody get that long on the gold last night or the short on the gold? Guy says, my mouse got stuck. Hey, Dorans, how are you? That's one person I never met, though. I was about to meet Paul. I met everybody but Paul. I hear he's a nice guy, though. I met so many other people. He was one of my people on my list. I hope to meet him soon. I know people that know him. And he's down here. I believe he's down here in Miami now. I know. We need some filler music. Denny, we were talking about doing some music, Denny, right?
Yes, we did.
What happened to that?
Me and Ash and Magnus are currently still looking into it because StreamYard, it doesn't like to support it very much.
Oh, okay.
Is there copyright if you stream music?
I don't know. Oh.
You right?
No, not a battery. No way. How do you trade with me? Go to sktrading.live and you can sign up. Or I have a 5-day free trial. Okay, I have a 5-day free trial. It's in the link there.
I have a speaker if you want. You want to listen to something?
Come on, let's go here. If these Jesus, what happened?
I have a speaker if you want to listen.
No, bring a guitarist. Yeah, I know. You guys ever hear of a guy named Alex Fox? You want to hear some? I was in Miami like 20 years ago, and he was playing on the side, playing at a restaurant, and I bought his CD. Go look up Alex Fox. Up 800 on gold, trading the range. Good job. There you go. Are you still short gold? No, I never got short. I wanted to get up there. Yeah. Nasdaq's just moving 4. The 5-day free trial is right there. Do not go to SK Trading for the free trial. The free trial, do not go to SK Trading for the 5-day free trial. There's a special link for the 5-day free trial. Come on, pencil up gold or something. Okay. I think Nasdaq and S&Ps want to get one more push up. Yep. There goes the gold. Come on, baby. Let's do it.
What's the range?
I will go probably here 47 and a half to like 53 and a half. Or you can go, 47 and a half. Or you can go maybe 46.80 to like 51, 52.80 range. You got to scale into the, or 47 and a half to 53 and a half range. You got two different ranges there. Again, now you're pushing up on the gold. You're pushing up on the gold, and these bigger time frames here, the 30s non-confirmation, okay, and the 60s not doing it. Look at this, Jesus. This was wild today. This was absolutely wild. Now, if gold reverses to, look at the gold drop. If gold reverses to buy, okay, stay with me, on the 15-minute time frame right here, it'll correlate with its 60. You got to buy, then the strategy, oh my God, look at this gold drop. All right, if you're short, look to cover below 45 and a half. All right, NASDAQ's very choppy right now. I could swear he used to play at the Delano. Yes, I think so. Is that the guitar guy? Yes. Alex Fox. Go listen to him. Gold headed to 4,300. I think you're right, though. Especially if this, oh my God, look at the gold get cabooshed. Anybody short that gold? It hit the upper end of the range there. Look at that. 46.90. So maybe we're gold's bearish on the 60. Where do you see gold's bearish on the 60? I see bullish on my 60 here. Right here. Blue over orange. Oh, all I know is I love it here, Zeke. Khan. I love it here. I don't know. What the hell is that? What? All right. You caught the gold, Dr. Zay? Where is this silver here? I got to put this silver up. This silver is a beast. Oh, my God. All right. Who thinks silver is going to be over 60? Oh, my God. Look at this silver. Okay, silver just reversed to buy on the 15. The strategy is you look to buy the first pullback on the 5-minute. Shilling. Okay. It's bearish on TradingView. I would go to a different time frame and hit it again. Boom.
Could be a long down here. 5 minutes getting over sold. Let's get started.
All right.
What do you think about that?
I'm looking for pullbacks here. MyFundedFutures. Okay. Gold 60 is orange in TradingView. I know. I don't understand why. Anyway, silver reversed to buy here on the 15. Silver now is bullish on the 15 and on the 60 here. Let me look at the gold. Yeah, gold's bearish here. Let me see.
That's weird. On TradingView, it's orange over blue on the 60.
It is?
Yeah.
On TradingView?
Yeah.
They're right.
When did it flip positive?
Anybody short that gold up there? Even one lot?
Could you go a little bit further back on that chart to see when it flipped positive?
It probably flipped negative here.
Flipped negative at
2 o'clock? Mine says 2 o'clock.
Yeah. On the.
It's odd. All right. That's odd. I don't know why. Look at this gold just got cabooshed. $5. We'll just call Peter.
Who's that?
I'll give it to you later. Silver does not necessarily trade in tandem with gold. Okay, it does not. It does not. Okay, all right. So that's that. All right, let's just go with the fact that gold's negative here. Anyway, it just got kabooshed right there. I don't see a bull flag on the 15-minute time frame in the Nasdaq. Who's saying that? Trisha? I don't see that. Oh my God! Look at this gold. Oh, where do you see a bull flag? I'm just asking on the 15-minute time frame on the on Nasdaq. Oh my God! Look at this gold. You're long Nasdaq. All right, could get another push up here. I don't know why he's doing that. All right. Use OBS is better than StreamYard? I think StreamYard is better. I don't know. Mikey Jacques, if you sold it, you only got one lot off. It didn't trade higher than 46.90 on the gold. Ay, ay, ay. Stupid.
Damn. Should have held some runners.
Yeah. Love saying it flipped. Everybody's saying it flipped negative. All right. So let's just go with the fact that gold's negative on the 60.
You don't have negatives.
I know, but everybody else is saying on TradingView. Is Nasdaq bearish or bullish? I have Nasdaq as being bullish on its 15, 30, and 60.
Steve,
Yeah.
You built it on TradeStation.
I built it on TradeStation, but I also built it on TradingView. But the math can be different because of the two market data providers.
I'm looking at TradingView.
Yours is negative. Everybody's is negative on TradingView. So basically what happens somewhere here, okay, somewhere here on the 60-minute time frame on gold, right here, you see it right here? It probably touched, went negative, but TradeStation didn't calculate it. So what time was yours flipping negative? I have 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
This was at 1.
Okay, yours 1 o'clock, then it was this bar here. That's 12 o'clock. Can't be 1 o'clock.
Yeah, 1 o'clock on the
end of the 1 o'clock.
on the 60 minute.
Well, at 1 o'clock, it's nowhere near reversing to sell. So
The bottom of the 1 o'clock candle. Where it closed.
target 50 points.
Yeah.
Top on what? Nasdaq?
Yeah, it was the close on
Nasdaq, I don't know yet. I'm thinking if the Nasdaq can get down to the maybe 15 to 20, 15 to 35 range. I don't know if it's going to get that. Gold just got absolutely kabooshed. 1 o'clock, it shifted bearish on gold. I don't see that.
Look at where the 1
I
o'clock
understand.
candle closed.
1 o'clock is right here.
Yeah.
That's 2 o'clock.
The close of the 1 o'clock made it flip.
I have the 1 o'clock. Here's 1 o'clock. I don't have it. I don't have it. So I'll ask Billy.
Here.
Yeah. I'm using TradeStation. So anyway, anybody get that gold short? I know it was only one stupid lot if you got in. Short Nasdaq on pullbacks? No, you short Nasdaq on bounces. You don't look to short. You buy pullbacks to go long. What entries are looking for? I go kaboosh 3 points on what? On gold or Nasdaq? I think Nasdaq's going to turn up here. All right. Very, very quiet here today. I'm sorry. Got an hour and 5 minutes to go. Wow, good job, Claudia. Claudia got the short. Mwah, my Claudia. Her loving
The
my
1 o'clock
Diana.
Close on the 1 hour.
I'm not going to argue with you. I'm
No,
looking
no,
at
I'm-
TradeStation. I can't help it. Before I kill
I
myself.
hear you. I'm saying the 1 o'clock. I think it closes every half hour for some
It
reason on the 1 hour.
Mine closes every hour on the hour.
Because the 1 hour, 1 o'clock close is the same as the 1:30 close.
Look at
on
this
the 30.
freaking NASDAQ drop.
I'm
Yeah,
long
yeah.
at 60.
NASDAQ, gotta wait. I called the range on the NASDAQ, 15 to 25. S&Ps, I probably look to go long like 55 to 60 range. What's my thoughts on gold? What? Short, intermediate, long term. Say, how are you? All right. There goes the NASDAQ. If you bought NASDAQ at 35, you should get at least 8 to 15 on the NASDAQ push up here. S&Ps, just, there they go. You long S&Ps?
Yeah, at 60.
All right, good. You're up 1.5.
I got a 4 at 62. But it is a pattern. I might just sell half.
I would probably sell half. The 15s are rolling over here.
Yeah, I'm just going to cover it. Hopefully at 62. If not, I'm going to raise my stop here. 61. Put it in the middle.
Ryan, what are you saying? Set back to what? Just
Gold.
unload and reload it and don't play with the settings.
Gold is
Looking for buys on silver. Look at this gold drop, $8 here. Silver. Silver's got, I would be buying this silver here. The 15s just reversed to buy here. You want to buy the first pullback on the 5. So if this silver gets down to like maybe the 92 to 02 range or 90 to even range, I'll probably look to buy the silver here. There goes the NASDAQ up 8. NASDAQ just rallied 8. Platinum just took off. That's another weird one. Yeah. Let's see if we're pulling a little bit more. Gold just dropped 9. S&Ps just ran 1.5. NASDAQ, there goes the NASDAQ. Anybody get the long on the NASDAQ? Yes, 15 reverse to buy. Good job, Ragav. All right, and the bar, what happened? Is Ninja beginning a bar trace? What? I don't understand that. Okay.
I'll build on my stop at 61. Sorry. On to the next.
So this silver, the strategy here is the first pullback on the 5 minute after the 15 correlated.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see if the silver can do this here. If you bought this silver, you can look to sell 03, 04, 03 up to like maybe 05, 08. See, the fives are getting oversold here. Gold just got kabooshed.
Do you think that they're going to go further down on gold?
The 15s are rolling over.
25?
I don't know. I don't guess.
Could you put up the gold chart?
Or
I gotta watch the silver here. Really.
All right. I want to see that little minute.
Okay. AWS services are having issues. One down detectors. Certain websites could get funky. All right. Thank you for that. Bull flag on silver. It should hold here. Silver. Kaboosh. Wet Hawk trades. What got kabooshed? Oh, gold. Oh my God. Gold's down 10.
Oh my God. Hurts my heart.
What a short. Come on, silver. Hold up here. Will silver make new highs? I'm not so certain.
It's gotta be right across the board.
Look at this gold. Oh my God.
Short any pullbacks. I don't know if it's gonna get any pullbacks.
You could look to sell any silver here anywhere from, depending on where you're long, 97 up to 02, 03. Silver is actually a completely different pattern here. Oh.
Holy shit.
Look at this gold. Oh my God, this gold got absolutely kabooshed.
It's getting close to this overnight lows. 32.4. It's gonna pass it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it goes.
There could be stop orders here on this gold.
I can't. It's
If this gold gets down to the maybe 24.5, 30.5 range, 10 points, can I get a bear growl? Where's the bear growl? Chicken trader, you cannot be down 1,500. Gold got, look at this. Everybody's using my word. Kabooshed.
you got a trademark.
CT clutch. What happened? I did trademark it.
You trademark Kalush?
Mm-hmm.
Good shit.
I'm actually in the Urban Dictionary too.
Are you?
Yeah. Here's
Kalush?
here's a definition. Yeah, my friend Ian did it. Here's a definition. Oh my God, look at this gold. There we go.
That's awesome.
There we go. I'm in the Urban Dictionary. I said to buy gold if it gets down to the 24.5, 90.5. Captain Price, good job.
Kaboom was already trademarked.
I got Kaboom. I don't think I got Kaboom. Steven, you start charging royalties. Yeah. There goes the silver right back up here, Lee. I'm using kaboosh and kaboom in the next scramble game. It's a word. Kaboosh is a word in the Urban Dictionary. I swear you're not. There goes the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, if you're long at 35. S&Ps, if you're long at 60. Just scale out of longs here. Okay.
Gold.
Where's this gold? Gold just hit 30.80. Gold's gonna get kabooshed here. I'm gonna put some bids. I'm just gonna put some low bids in. I'm gonna put some low bids in here.
What indicates on the gold that you think it's gonna?
Look at the 15-minute MACD. It's non-confirming. Here comes the stop orders. I gotta stand for this here.
See it.
All right.
What range you go?
I said 24.5 to 30.5 range if you're long. Let's see here. Anybody long the NASDAQ? NASDAQ just ran 15. S&Ps just ran 2. The range on the gold is 24.5 to 30.5 range. Here we go. Breaking 29.
Order filled.
All right.
Order filled.
I would buy some silver here. I would buy some silver here. If silver gets down to the 70.5, 80.5 range, how'd you get stopped in silver? Went up to 98. I would buy it again. I said, look to scale out the longs, 97, 98 up to 01, 02.
Got a point on gold. You re-longing it?
I'm buying it. Yeah, I'm trading the gold here.
Order filled. Order filled.
There you go. Ragav, you should have started selling out the silver and then bought it here again at 80. If you long the gold, look to scale out of gold above 29.5 to 30 range. Did you get the gold?
Yeah, I got
Here it goes.
28 up to 20. Let me see. I got 29 up to 29.8. I got almost a point. It's all right.
I'm in the Urban Dictionary, Lee. Ragav, how'd you get stopped out on that? I said, look at the silver right back up off the 15. You should have bought it right back. Oh my God. Okay, you can't do single lot entry, Ragav. You can't do single lot entry. This is exactly what I mean. Look at the gold go. Come on. You got to scale in. I told you, one of the things I said was if I call a range, determine how many contracts you want to trade. What is the range? I'm giving it to you. Boom. Okay. Is that it? Anybody get the long on the gold? Gold just ran 5. Look at this silver. Look at this silver. I said, go back in. I'd go back in. Man, oh man.
Wow, gold.
Oh my God. Gold just ran 7. Look at this silver. 19 cents. Ragav, I understand you're new. Look at this 20-cent rally in silver. Good Lord God. I hope somebody bought the silver down there.
This was the Tokyo.
Yes, touching lows again.
Or China.
What out on the NASDAQ? There it is. That's me.
You gotta share that screen.
That's me. I invented the word kabooshed. All right. Ragav, you understand, Ragav? This is the first pullback. That's why I said, look to start scaling on the longs, because if it dropped again, as gold did, look at this. Look at this silver up 22 cents. I want to kill myself. No, it's just all right. You're right. I shouldn't. Aaron gets mad at me. All right. Anybody? How'd you get screwed on the longs? I called the range 15 to 35. Oh my gosh. Ragav, you can't do single lot entries. Does everybody understand when I say single? Look at this silver, 15, 25 cents. Oh my goodness.
Yes, making new lows.
Silver made a new low here for the 9 o'clock session. The MACDs could not confirm. And this is the first pullback on the 5. Okay. And it overreacted. And what do you look to do? You take them. You buy them, for Christ's sake. Right? I'm not trying to make you feel bad, Regav, but please, when you have to be able to determine how many contracts you want to trade within a range. Look at this. One guy's up 9,000. Great job. Where's Pac-Man? Get in there, Pac-Man. Christopher. Up 835, up 9,000, up 1,000. Explain your scaling now. If I call a range, so there's 4 things you got to remember, okay? 4 things, very simple. If I call a range, all right, based upon the pattern, okay, or a scalp, you have to determine how many contracts you want to buy or short, right? Right? How many contracts? Now, if this gold gets up to the 35.5, 36, I'd be looking to short it. Get in there. That's a T-shirt, Christopher. Get in there. Right? Okay. But, Ragav, what I'm trying to say, you can't do single lot entries. You have to determine how many contracts. So if you said, okay, I'm going to buy one contract at 01.5, I'll buy another one at 98.5. I'll buy maybe, 2 at maybe, I don't know, 95.5, 96.5, and I'll buy 2 more at 93.5. When I traded up to 98, 99, I would have started scaling out. Okay? So the first thing you got to learn, okay, good job. 550 on the gold, 540. You have to, exactly, Dr. Zay, how many, if I call a range, how many contracts do you want to trade? Ragav. So if you want to trade 3 micros, 5 micros, 10 micros, then the next thing you need to do is what? Number 3, determine where you want to scale into that range. Is it every 1 point, every 2 points, every 1.5, every 2.5, every 3? Okay, if I lined up 10 people will have different, all 10 will have different entries and exits. Okay? Number 4. Okay? Number 4, how are you going to scale in? If you're going to do 10 contracts, are you going to go 112, 1144? Are you going to go 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay. Are you going to go 118? Okay. Everybody's different, right? Everybody's different. Look, I had the gold on the lows. Can you believe that?
Steve.
What?
ES.
Yeah. What about it?
I was thinking 57.5 down to 51.5.
I'd probably take a long here. 50. I'd probably take a long here, like 3.5, 8.5 range. All right, Ragav. I understand it's a mistake, but I told you this morning, if you were listening, you cannot trade single lot entries. You can't determine how many contracts. Look at that oil short. Oil just dropped 15. What could have been the signs that gold would drop that much? Well, the fact that we were calling shorts up there, I mean, I didn't think it was going to go from 44 to 27. True Trade, look at this, up 9,000. What a job. True Trade. But whenever you do, you cannot fall in love with the position and you have orders in. The minute you have orders going in, you have to have orders going out, period. Okay? All right, this gold. Did gold get up there for a short? What was the high on the gold? That's a beautiful bear flag on the gold. That's a beautiful bear flag on the gold. Okay.
I think it needs to push up a little more. It's not too over.
I did not call shorts on the gold up there. Are you crazy? I did. I said 46.80, okay, to 51.80. I did call. I did not say that I expected a 15 handle drop. I did call it short up there though. How can you say I didn't call it short? Oil was a buy, not now. Oil just ripped 9.
And it hit 46.9.
How could you say I didn't call it short up there? Who said that?
Someone that wasn't listening.
You scale in to a range looking for a pullback. On a short, you're looking for a range on a bounce, okay? Who said I didn't call it short up there? I got to figure this out. Bitcoin up? Yes. Who said I didn't call it short up there? I don't agree with you, the Dom. I went right there. I went right there and I started executing orders. Right. I mean, it didn't go the whole range on the short on gold. I said 46.80 to 51.80. The high was 46.9. I did call it short. Okay. Some people actually text me they shorted at 45.20 just to be in. So that's their determination, right? NASDAQ again, S&Ps if you bought them. So anyway, I'm not going to argue over that nonsense because I know what I did. So I'm too old for this crap.
We can all vouch for it. Definitely.
How many points does gold have to, 8 to 10? 8 to 10. 8 to 10. Look, we just lost 7,000 people.
I want to see the raffle. It's pretty crazy to just disappear.
It's bots.
I feel like some people might just get bored and they leave. I don't know.
But I mean, on these, what happens is once
You think silver's going to drop 3 points this week? I can probably tell you, I think you're 100% right.
I think these people,
This is too far overextended here. You're almost $4.50 above the 10-bar moving average. We just lost 9,000 people. Thank you, Robert, Aaron. Giveaways are at 9:45. Giveaways. The bots have their bedtime. Exactly. And you see this gold here? This gold's going to turn up. Look at this last time this gold. Boom. Up 204. Look at this gold. Up 200. Wait till this gold does this. And then this again. Watch. This next push up is going to make new highs. All right. I said look to short the gold here. Did it get up there 35.5, 36.5?
you think it's going to make new highs in gold?
Yeah. Look at this. I missed the gold by 20 cents. Okay. Welcome, Angel. Everybody, welcome, Angel. S&Ps, I said look to buy S&Ps 53.5, 58.5. Gold just dropped 3. What a beautiful bear flag. When you see this here, this push up from the lows into the negative MACDs like this, I mean, what a more. Look at this. I missed it by 20 cents. Yeah, I called the short. 30, what did I say? 35.5 up to 40.5.
Focusing on ES right now. It's getting there.
NASDAQ, I think the NASDAQ, if you should look to buy NASDAQ even to 25. Okay, S&Ps 53.80 to 58, 53.5 to 58.5 range. All right. Let's see if this NASDAQ. Jesus.
Boy, that.
We just lost 10,000 bots. Thank you for the short. You held a short that long? Wow. Good job. Good job. Anybody new here, you could, I do have a 5-day free trial if you're interested, okay? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? It's not 12,000 people, it's 12,000 bots. I wish it was 12,000 people. $12,000 people shorted gold above 46. How's that? And they just said, that's it. And they said, that's it for the night. 12,000 people said, that's it, done. Right?
They made their money and left.
Okay. All right. Bitcoin, Steve, making new highs. Yes. I would probably think that if Bitcoin gets up to 94,100, I would look to short it. Because if you see here, you can see Bitcoin, gold, S&P is turning up here, NASDAQ. You can see here, right? This is the pullback on the 5-minute time frame. Just ran. Who trades Bitcoin? If you guys want to, if you guys want to do Bitcoin, I'm going to be doing my own Bitcoin channel too. The 30-minute turning up here, the 60 is going to turn up here. Oh, it just got kabooshed. Wow, Bitcoin. I said short above 90, about 100. Look, I missed it by 26. Just dropped 200. S&Ps, Johnny, and NASDAQ, I would be scaling out of longs here. If you bought any S&Ps here, it's already 94,300. No, it's 93,800.
There we go.
I think 94. I agree with you, Jay Schilling. I agree. I like turnups. Inflate my funded future viewers. Can I short NASDAQ here? No. The 15s are going to turn up. No. Right here. Look at the 15-minute time frame. If you're long the NASDAQ, I'd be scaling out of longs here, 28 to 35 range. S&Ps, Johnny, you get the long on the S&Ps, long oil. Now, that oil was a good long, but oil got down to the 0506 level, okay? Go look at this NASDAQ. Look at these S&Ps, Johnny. Bitcoin's 90. Bitcoin's not 94,300. Where do you see that? The high was 94,074. There goes look at the S&Ps rally. NASDAQ just ran 14. I'm looking right at it right here, Stephen. Look, maybe for the high for the night. I don't even see 94,000. Where's he saying this? I don't see 94,300. Okay, there goes the S&Ps. There goes, who caught the NASDAQ and S&P?
I got it at 57.5.
Good job, 57.5.
I covered most of it, 59.5. I got a one run.
Who caught the long on the S&P and NASDAQ? You shorted what? 24,350 on the net? What? I'm confused, Gary.
Bitcoin's so far back.
I will long NASDAQ at 25,630. Why are you buying it here? I gave a range lower. Why are you buying?
I think a lot of people got FOMO.
What's that mean?
Fear of missing out. And then they just go.
You can't now. NASDAQ just ran from 19 to 20 to 36. S&P just ran 3. If you missed the entry on NASDAQ, You do not. I would not look to buy it. Okay, the mouse got stuck. Ingalls sides draw 0. Welcome. Anybody new here? You could text me at 914-500-7484. I got screwed up on NASDAQ longs from earlier. Why? Johnny Fonts, did you get long on the S&P? Can we short gold again? If it gets a little higher, maybe. Like I'm thinking like 36 and a half, 36 and a half. Let me see this here. Where's this gold? Look at this. Look at this silver. Look at this silver. Look at this silver.
Here we go. What a long ES. Come on, baby.
Okay, I think you should be out. The ADXs are rising on the
I
15.
got my stop at 60.25. So
All right.
If it hits, it hits.
NASDAQ, gold, if you want to take a short here on the gold, I'll probably go like 36.30 up to like 41.30 on the gold. I'm scared to look at where silver is, to be honest with you. I'm scared to look at where silver is. Oh my God, 32 cents. Oh my God. Oh my God almighty. If you're short the gold, look maybe 36 to 41 on the gold. Wow, look at this NASDAQ. NASDAQ just ran 20. S&P just ran 3.5. Wow.
More than that.
What about NASDAQ? What is a good price to scale out? I'd be scaling out of longs now. If it just ran 20.
I'm just raising my stops. I'm at 60.75 now. Boy.
Good job, Flops. Good job. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh my God, NASDAQ's still going. That was the pullback I was telling you about. I was waiting for it, right? It's going to 650. Okay. Then raise your stops. Gabriel trades up 500.
I'm out. Stop build at 60.75.
Told you it was going to go. I told you it was going to go. Good job, everybody. Good job. Got 20 points. Trader J, 22. Great job. Base hits, singles and doubles. Silver and gold. Silver. I'm sick to my stomach. Gold ran through it. Silver. Oil. Kaboom! There's the oil on the pullback on the 5. Silver and gold. I'm not live now. I'm live tomorrow at 9 a.m. at 8 o'clock. Wrote, how are you? Zil, where's my buddy Zil from Finland? When you register for the 5-day free trial, you get a free link to my Discord and my member Discord, where you could talk to me and you can hear me, okay? All right. Nice little longs there. Denny, you there, Denny?
I'm always here, Steven.
Denny, so we lost 10,000 people. So we're up 2,000. Is that right, or is that still botted?
I mean, it could be right. It could be bogging. I don't have a way to tell, neither does YouTube. But I do know that at least the 10,000 people that was here was definitely bots.
Okay.
And when I did the giveaway, only 300 people signed up, or 399.
1 point gain on NASDAQ? What do you mean 1 point gain on NASDAQ? You bought at 36, you sold at 37. There's no reason to buy it at 36 when I'm calling along even to 25. Right? Look at this freaking silver. Look at this silver. I can't believe that silver hit 80.
You
I
want to do the
immediately
giveaways,
said,
Steven?
what?
You want me to do the giveaways?
No, 945.
All right, all right.
And I actually said, buy it. I'd buy them.
Look at crude oil.
Yeah, crude just ran for 15 cents.
Someone said that.
Oil just kaboomed. Oh my God. Oil just got kaboomed. Gold just rallied 10 off the low. What, 9 really. Silver ran 32 cents off the low. You guys, you understand this pattern? The 15 reverses to buy on the silver, right? It correlates with the 60-minute right here. You have a buy disconnect. Cover the gold below 35.5 if you're short. I cover the gold. All right. Oh my God, look at this gold. What a bear flag. Wait till these fives roll over.
Were you calling shorts in gold?
Yeah.
I missed that.
I said 36 up to 41.
Good call.
I don't know if you're going to get a pullback on the S&Ps anymore. Anybody short the gold? I would lower your stops. Hey, Siempre, Florida. Silver just dropped 8 cents. Anybody short the gold? Oh my God, gold just got kabooshed. Look at this gold. Look at this gold. Mikey Jacques, you get short the gold? Why are you buying silver at 39? It makes no sense to me. It's the strategy is that okay, I don't know. Aja, you shorted the gold? You can't, there's a way to buy. Okay, are you going to buy? Let me ask you a question. You go to the supermarket, and that same pound of chopped meat is $12 a pound, but this same exact chopped meat is $3.59 a pound. Which one are you going to buy? Right, the lower one. Why do you want to buy gold after it just ran 25? Look at this gold. Okay. Johnny Fonts, you're the one who asked me about the S&Ps. Please tell me that you bought it. I'm not going to even answer the question. Look at this bear flag on gold. Look at this. This is a Picasso. Why are you not short the gold? Look at that. Double red short.
That was a good, great short. I was focusing on the answer you called me out. I just I'm not gonna use that excuse. My mouse got stuck.
You were told the market goes up 80% of the time. Okay, I can't. I don't know. I don't know. I don't even know where that came from. I don't know which that or the mouse got stuck. I'm not. How can you tune up in the morning? Well, you can watch me. You can get the 5-day free trial, or you can sign up to my sktrading.live. Silver just dropped 14 cents. Gold just got absolutely kabooshed. David, if you didn't jump on that pattern, David, I would tell you never talk to me again. Digicap, the mouse got stuck. Absolutely. There's no reason. So I got to explain this to you, okay? There's a reason why one of my 5 keywords is patience. You don't look to buy the NASDAQ here when I'm calling on the oversold condition in the positive trend here. I said, look to buy NASDAQ even to 25. You don't buy NASDAQ here. You buy NASDAQ on the oversold. Gold target, who cares? I lowered. You just dropped $6. Good job, Johnny Fonts. I wouldn't be shorting gold right now. Gold was a perfect bear flag. Come on, Stan, man. Why you guys want to drive me crazy tonight? Look at this. This is the bear flag on gold. I said, look to short 36 to 41. I've been doing this since 6 o'clock in the morning. Look at Isaac, up 600 on the gold. Anybody new here? God bless you. Anybody new here, please text me 914-500-7484 if you're interested in learning from me.
Oh my God, I hit the free plan limit. Are you kidding me?
My mouse got stuck. I love it. Do you understand? Oh, you're kidding. Thank God. All right. Do you understand here? Do you understand this pattern? Whoever bought the NASDAQ at 39, you buy it based upon the fact that you're in a bullish trend. The 15 and the 5-minute time frames were getting oversold. That's why I called the range. I didn't call the range here. I called the range here. Andre, have a good night. Andre, I leave this room to you one day, Andre. Okay? There you go.
Look at that.
What is the mouse got stuck? Oh, my God. I don't know what it looks like, though. Oh, yeah. Focus on the trade. My cat knocked my mouse. I like the fact that my mouse got stuck is better. Sorry. I got the NASDAQ at 22. Good job. Yes. So if it dropped, you scale into more. Yes. Denny, you get that NASDAQ long or you're done? The mouse got stuck. Yeah, there it goes. So one night, comedy trading. I'm telling you, you have no idea. The greatest hits of 2025. My mouse got stuck. How about this one? One of my guys came to visit me from Texas. I love him to death. Don't mean so. Please, this is not any. So I said, look to buy S&Ps 29 to 30, 28 to 34, and they're dropping, right? And they get all the way down to like 31, and then they explode up to 55. I said, I turned around. I said, did you buy him? He says, no, I was bidding 29. I said, you might as well bid 0. Ragav, did you short the gold? Ragav? I'm trying to help him.
So in this example with the gold short.
The gold short is very simple. The 5 correlated with the 15 and the 30-minute time frames are negative. Apparently the 60s are still negative based upon trading view. You short the first bounce into the negative MACD, right into the 10-bar moving average. It was an absolute Picasso. Take a picture of it and frame it.
That wasn't going to be my question. So since the ADXs are rising,
the oscillator got up to oh my God, the oscillator got up to like 84, 85.
So
hold on, I gotta talk to Ragav over here. Give me a second. Look at this. When this, okay, do you understand this pattern right here? The high is 36.9 and it closed at 31.7. It dropped 5.2, right? When gold was trading up here, this oscillator was in the 85, 87. Now, because I like the bars, not candles, you can see the open and the close. So because this oscillator, okay, is dynamic, but when the bar closes, it closes what's called end of bar, meaning since gold dropped $5, the oscillator, which was up here, closed here, and it closed at what? 62.08. But when gold was $5 higher, the oscillator right here, okay, right, okay, the oscillator was in the mid 80s, Wagav. Okay? Jess, I need help. Okay? Listen up, people.
You ready for my question?
No, not yet. Okay? And you have to understand the pattern. The 5-minute time frame reversed to sell. It correlated with its 15, 30, and 60, since trading views negative on the 60s. Look at this beautiful bear flag. Negative MACD, rising ADX. Negative MACD, rising ADX. Big selling pressure. This was a layup. Hello? Oh, tell me you got short.
Yeah, I did.
Good, thank you. If you didn't, I would have ruined my night. Did you get short up there on the gold? You had too many beers. I know Michael Lenz got that short, right, Michael Lenz? Okay? It's an absolute Picasso, Gary. Absolute Picasso. Michael Lenz. Exactly. You're not chasing it. And again, Ragav, I called the 36 to 41 range, right? Let's say you sold one at 36. You sell one more at 37 and a half. Michael made $4 on the gold. Good job. Okay? Oil making new highs. Denny, you ready for the giveaway, Denny? In 1 minute?
Yes, sir.
2 minutes?
General question. Can I hit you with it, Steve?
Yes, you can ask me the question.
Since the gold ADXs are rising on the 5 and 15, can you use the 3-minute?
You could have, yeah. Could have used the 3. That's not a bad question. The 3 here,
Backhand.
the 3 here was at 86.
Yeah.
Here,
It's probably
30.
up to 95
No,
before that bar closed.
right here, this one probably got to maybe like a 90.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. So when the ADXs are rising on the double red short, even at 3-minute, the ADX was rising, Ragav, the negative MACD, right? That's a great pattern. The new low, the bounce here, boom, and then the final death blow on the 5-minute. Beautiful short. Claudia, did you get that short above 36 on the gold? Diana, any of you? All right, Denny, it's all yours, brother.
All righty.
Let's get lucky tonight.
Let's see who's going to win today.
Denny, we got 2,000 people. Is that real or that's botted still?
No, it might be real, Steven.
All right, wow. That's a beautiful short. I said to negative MACDs, John.
Chazah. I have no idea how to pronounce that name.
I don't understand how you say my charts are confusing to read. Is there some intro to the... Yes, there is. But you have to be part of my community, okay? And I teach it all day long, right? I use 3 time frames, a 15, 30, and a 60. I do use a 3 and 5 minute time frames for entries and exits, but it's all based upon my algorithm on indicator 4. You can see I'm negative here on the 15. I'm negative here on the 30. Okay, I'm in a negative trend, and I'm also, well, apparently I'm bullish here, but TradingView is saying negative, so I have to check that tomorrow. I don't know why. I've never seen that before. So anyway, even if you're in a negative trend or a sell disconnect, this negative 5 reverse to sell, you short the first bounce on the 5 minute time frame. Sorry, Denny, go ahead.
No, you're good. I had to move on because that guy was not answering. Caterpillar Trader. Hey, congrats, Caterpillar.
My scale with the payment, I'll bring them.
Martin, are you here?
Oh, Martin. Hey, Martin. Gilbert Manuel, what did I miss? Oh, my God.
Hey, I see you, Martin.
Oh, good job.
Ednar, are you here? Or Edna Ritchie? Edna Ritchie, I see you.
3 more to go.
Raphael, it might be slow because there's news in the morning. Unemployment reports come out. TDL Futures, are you here?
Oh, I've seen him.
You seen TDL Futures?
I thought so. I thought I saw him today.
Hey, there you are. And last but not least, Claude, they're just trying to troll. Son of Wall Street, are you here?
I have not seen him tonight.
I saw him earlier tonight when the show first started.
70?
What?
How much you up tonight? 70?
No. I'm doing good, Steve. 400.
That's what I'm talking about, my
Yeah.
brother. So you need
What are you
you need
talking-
2 beers every night. See?
No, what are you talking
I'm proud of you.
Yeah, no.
I'm
Son
proud
of Wall
of you.
Street did not win yesterday, Wayne.
Single accounts right now. Let's see. how
See
it
what I'm
goes.
saying?
Yeah.
But you hit your goal, you
Yeah.
stop. Now, can I teach you another thing?
Yeah.
Just my personal opinion, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You have a couple accounts during the day.
Yeah.
And 1 or 2 at night.
Like, yeah.
That's it.
Jay Shang, it says it comes out tomorrow on
Yeah, this will
Forex Factory.
I told Diana the same thing. It makes sense.
Correct. No, that's right. Yeah.
Okay? Good job. I'm
on
proud of
Wall Street.
you.
Are
You
y'all
got
able to
another
tag them or no?
You have more
Oh,
mass?
yeah. Respect. But it's good because, as I said, it's like,
All right. He's gone.
Yep, I think he is. Son of Wall Street going once. Going twice. And he's gone.
Yep. Tomorrow, AMD with some really great patterns today. AMD.
Motocross.
there is a website where you can check if the bots are on your.
Well, I don't know.
No, I'll check it tomorrow.
Yeah. I don't know. This seems pretty real. This is the most ever if it's real.
Where are these guys? They got free money and they're just not here.
He's not here.
Not here.
The mouse got stuck. Good night, good night, Nick. If I'm Nichi Gumo. All right.
Germini, are you here?
Well, that's it. I think that was a pretty good day. I mean, it wasn't bad. We caught a let's see, a long on the S&Ps, a long on the NASDAQ, a long on the long on gold, a short on gold, a long on gold, a short on gold. Not bad. 6 trades tonight. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
Hey, if they're able to I see you, Germani. I'll give it to you.
There he is. Get in there.
All right.
Mikey missed out.
I saw that they answered. Rocky, I saw.
I missed my Hendrix.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
He's a good boy, my Henny.
Hopefully you have it on.
Killer moves, Steven, right? Hendrix. Yeah, I can't wait to go home and see him. Thank God I only live like 5 minutes away. I'm gonna walk him. He'll take me around the neighborhood for about an hour. He does his patrol. And then I gotta give him a little treat before he goes to bed. Then he plops in the corner of the couch and he starts snoring.
No,
He's such a good boy.
you know that beef tripe?
The what?
The beef tripe snacks?
Oh yeah, I got him right there.
So that company came to my entrepreneurship class at UMiami, the owner, and he spoke.
Hey, I know
Really?
all y'all saw me tell Sharo he needed to DM me his email.
That's super,
So if he
super
doesn't
good.
do it today, he's SOL.
Wow.
That's the best snack company. They really care about animals.
All right. Not a bad day here. S&Ps are still pushing up. Just ran 5. NASDAQ 19 up to 42. Not bad.
Yes, yes.
I want to thank. How do you know when to quit trading for the day? I don't. I keep going. I'm 43 years. I mean, you guys should know. Set a goal, daily goal for yourself. Me, I just keep going. I don't care. Anyway, I want to say thank you to MyFundedFutures tonight for sponsoring tonight. Thank you to Aaron. Thank you to Denny. Thank you to Luke, Matt, all the people behind Ash behind the scenes. I wanted to say thank you. Again, we're here tomorrow from 8 to 10. Also, starting next week, I will be on MyFundedFutures TV on my own show from 10:30 to 11:30. Also, I have a podcast here on my SK Trading YouTube, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. I really think you guys should watch it because I go over a lot of great patterns and I really teach you my software and how these patterns based upon pure mathematics repeat themselves. So with that being said, I want to say, I think that's it. And it's really quiet here. So, Denny, make sure you book a reservation.
I will.
Try to find it's in the fountain blue. Silver and gold.
I think my kids got me sick.
You're sick?
I feel like I'm getting sick. You know how when the body starts aching all over?
Go take some zinc and elderberry.
About to take some NyQuil.
Take some NyQuil. You're out. All right. Okay. 4 minutes to go, Denny, and we're going to wrap it up. Okay. Nothing
right.
going on. All right, everybody. Have a great night. Again, thank you. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Denny. Thank you all for being here. I pray this number is right, 1900. This will be a record. Okay?
It's right. I think it's right.
It's right?
Yeah.
How do you know? You checked it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, my God. How'd you check it?
The,
All right.
my
Just,
tweet.
okay. All right. With that being said, have a great night, everybody. Have a great day trading tomorrow. Be consistent. Be smart. God bless you. And, of course, as always, God bless the United States of America. Good night, Denny. Good night,
Good
everybody.
night, Stephen. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop lost graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.